sparkling, beautiful piña aquí, very beautiful. Aquí, very beautiful. I start with the bottom and I take and shake the outside. I can't raise that. That pineapple is good. You do not have to add sugar to your juice. The fruit is sugar enough. It defeats the purpose. When you're juicing, you're removing the fiber as it is, so don't add any more sugar. Maple syrup, no agave, no azúcar, no más azúcar. You are sweet enough already. This is how I cut my pineapple as close to the peel as I can. You can also make tea with this. You put it in the pot and steep the tea. The enzymes in the pineapple is eating you. It is nature's way of protecting itself from predators. And as a fruit eater, I am a predator. The rumbling is eating you if you find that you have itchy mouth after eating a pineapple. Fun facts. Beautiful, right? Magnifico. Excelente. Amarillo. Very beautiful pineapple. I'm going to use half of this pineapple with this watermelon. I can't wait to cut it open for you. The smaller pieces, you chop it up, it will help your juicer. Make pineapple fries. That'll make a great short, just for future references. Beautiful cuts of piña. For mi gente, let's juice. I put the pineapple in there. Uno, dos, tres. A good 3 handfuls of pineapple. That is about 2 cups of pineapple. And I have a free watermelon juicing guide if you are interested in some recipes for juicing the watermelon. I can also keep the juicer from the top here. Just put it there in that little hole. And then I'm going to put a few pieces of pineapple to the side just in case a little kid comes up here and be like, man, let me get some of that. Let me get some. I'll put it here. I have these yellow peppers. I am excited to do the yellow peppers with the juice. I do recommend finding a recipe that you like and that you can stick to. I like to try new stuff. I'm going to do the yellow pepper with the yellow watermelon and the pineapple today, and I'm going to put up just a little sprig of mint. Let's open up this watermelon. I do believe it is yellow. I chopped off the bottom so I can sit it here on my cutting board without it rolling off. Oh my gosh! It just produced the most beautiful yellow juice, you guys. Let's just see that core. Now this is half of a pineapple. Yes, I'm gonna eat up. This is how much juice I got from half of a pineapple, and it is 10. It is 10 ounces of juice, right? I had a loving friend gift me with 2 juicy watermelons straight from the source. Look at that. Oh, joke. Yes, it is seeds in there. They're little white seeds. Don't worry. You're not gonna eat the seeds anyhow. It's heavy too. My arm about to fall off. I know. I like throwing stuff. More juice. Yellow juice is good. It's great for your solar plexus, creativity. I save the rind because I do like rind juice. I put green apple and I use ginger. You can juice the rind with the meat, but I want to make the juice yellow, and then I want to use the rind to make the juice green. I want a prominent color juice. If you juice both of them together, it may turn out brown. And it's science to juicing, just like it's science to everything. Here we are with the yellow watermelon. Oh, it's so juicy. Check it out. Beautiful, right? I'm gonna put that into some little pieces so my juicer can handle it. And I love this Nama J2. It is a slow masticating juicer. It's not loud at all. Look, I'm gonna put a little sprig of mint in there. I like to mix mint with the watermelon. Basil is also a good mix with the watermelon too. Put it in there. Put the stems in there too. The stems have juice too. This is gonna make so much juice. I need to get my picture. Hey, watermelon makes a lot of juice. This is where the pulp comes out. And look, I don't even have no pulp. Barely. This is the pulp from the pineapple. That's crazy. This is not a waste at all. Watermelon. And I'm adding the yellow pepper today. Oh, so much juice. Magnificent for so much juice. This is yellow watermelon and pineapple. So far, so good. We got plenty. And I still have more watermelon to go here. And I still have the yellow pepper. I love the color yellow. And I'm saving these seeds too. Throw in my pepper garden. Oh, it smells so good. I'm using the whole pepper, the entire thing, because I am. The pepper is good for you. I love it. I use the yellow pepper when I'm juicing things of yellow. It's so much juice. Look, it's about to overflow. Just a beautiful color. Are you ready to taste it? I'll put it here for you so I can see my pour. Tuline sauce. So much juice. It smells delightful. It's crazy how good it smells. About to do all of this. Man, ain't nobody got time to be wasting. Chef's kiss. Yellow watermelon. It tastes like honey. I will be juicing for quite some time because I have quite a few batches to make. What I do is I put them all together. I put them in these glass. I put them in my mason jars and I squeeze them real tight. And I put them in the refrigerator. Some of them I put in the freezer. In the refrigerator, they can last up to 3 days. And in the freezer, they can last up to 6 days. And when you have a family of people that love, can you see my heart? A family of people that love juice. The juice does not last 3 days because everybody is drinking the juice. They are drinking the juice because it tastes good, yes, but it helps you feel good. Look, oh my gosh, it's so much juice. Let me move this out of the way. Ay, Dios, ayúdame, por favor, que pasando aquí? This yellow pepper is so juicy. The juice is so, oh my God, I can drink the juice straight from the pepper. Yes, I can. Here is our yellow juice. And what I'm going to do is bottle it up for you. After I add this little pepper juice, look, that little piece of pepper made so much juice. It made 8 ounces of juice of pepper. So I'm putting it in here. And I'm about to bottle up this juice. I'm going to taste it for you. You can't go wrong. You can't even go wrong. This is very refreshing, very mild taste. It tastes like honey. It tastes like, I want to say pancake syrup, but it's a very honey-like flavor. And it is beautifully and ravishly delicious. So I'm going to bottle it up. You want to sip your juice. You don't want to guzzle your juice. Give it time to marinate with the mouth. I'm going to save my yellow pepper seeds. I do have yellow pepper in there. And I can't even taste the yellow pepper. I didn't really put a lot, but I'm going to save this yellow pepper to put in the yellow watermelon vine juice. I have 4 14-ounce bottles here. And I will pour. And I know it's going to make way more than that. My mother is going to love this. She loves the yellow watermelon juice. You want to try it, Joy? Yellow watermelon. Look, she's snacking on an orange already. She got a little mandarin orange she's snacking on. Chew. Getting your cameo. You good? It's so good. You just going to go. Girl, you're supposed to sip it. Good. It is very good. And I have a lot here. I got 2 jars ready for Danny. I know she's gonna want some. And I got another 3 jars left in this big container. Excuse me, chica. Gracias. The little one says good is good. Because they don't just drink anything. Do you match your food? I've been trying to match my juice. So at the gym, I'll probably be wearing something yellow. Corn! I'm just corning. Airtight mason jars. And I got these from the $1.25 tree. And word is that it is the $1.50 tree now. Mason jars are easy to get. You could probably even get a 12-pack for $9. That's less than $1. I'm macing them up, airtight. I have some labels, and I'll do that in another segment. I'll put the labels on there. What I'll do is I'll put yellow watermelon, yellow pepper, pineapple, and mint on the jar so you'll know what you're getting yourself into. There's 4 jars and I just need 3 more jars. I want to make sure that I jar my juice up because I'm going to need this for the next segment. You gotta stay ready, so you gotta get ready, have them jars ready. That's crazy. I'm not sure how long I've been on here, but I prepped 6 smoothie and here now I have 7 juice and they'll fill all the way to the top. Filling things up. You do want to fill them all the way up. Where's my glass? She won't come in here and drinking my juice. Cheers. Salud. It's super smooth. I can only taste just a hint of the yellow pepper. But it really tastes like I'm eating the watermelon straight from the watermelon. Here we are. I have 14-ounce glasses of juice. Perfect. Airtight. 7. Can you put these in my refrigerator for me, Pooh? Real carefully. Well, I'll just give you this one quote to take with you today. If it doesn't evolve you, it does not involve you. If it doesn't evolve you, it doesn't involve you. So be careful where you put your energy into and where you put your attention to. So, besos, besos, te amo, je t'aime, ich liebe dich. And that was just a few languages of I love you, and I thank you so much kindly. Live in vivo with LaLa, in vivo con LaLa. Adios, auf Wiedersehen, arrivederci, espadanya.